In this video you will learn how to withdraw Exness to Binance Pay. Log into Exness account, open your Exness app or website, then sign in using your credentials. Go to the withdrawal section. From your dashboard, click on the withdraw in the menu. Select a supported crypto method. Exness does not support direct withdrawal to Binance Pay. You can withdraw it using a crypto method such as BTC or Ethereum that is accepted by Binance. Enter your Binance deposit address. Open your Binance account and go to Wallet, Funding, Binance Pay. Then select a crypto like USDT and copy the network and address shown. Paste the address in Exness. Back in Exness, paste your Binance crypto address and select the same network. Enter the amount you want to withdraw from Exness. Confirm the transaction. Complete any security verifications such as a one-time password, then confirm the withdrawal. Your funds will be reflected in Binance once the blockchain confirms a transaction. Now you know how to withdraw Exness to Binance Pay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.